Three banks that'll give out 10K with a 480/500 credit score.
Look, you're not gonna be able to get a loan with a 4 to 500 credit score. No banks are doing that at all. And then to be able to do that, you have to also be able to show a loan experience. So you've had other loans close to that amount, where they're just not gonna give you that without any experience with any loans close to that. You have to have a low debt to income. I would say around like 40% shows that you're financial responsible. And then also you have to have loan repayment history. Essentially, like if you had collections and a lot of missed payments, then you have to at least show minimum 2 years that you're reestablishing making all your loans on time, while also your collections also being all cleared that you don't owe them. That stuff is just very important. How do I know this? Because I approve loans for a living, and I worked for 10 years approving personal loans, so I understand what it takes. Follow me for some more tips and advice.